Are you over 50? Have you noticed that walking, something you've done your whole life, suddenly feels harder than it used to? Maybe your legs feel weak when you stand up. Maybe stairs leave you breathless. Or maybe you've started worrying, what if one day I won't be able to walk confidently on my own? Has this ever happened to you? You're not alone, and here's the scary truth most seniors are never told. Walking problems after 50 don't start in the feet. They start with silent muscle loss in the legs and hips, especially the glutes and stabilizing muscles. And if this is ignored, it can lead to loss of balance, knee and hip pain, fear of falling, and eventually loss of independence. That's why today's video is so important, because I'm going to show you just 2 simple leg exercises, no gym, no machines, that help seniors walk stronger and longer, protect their knees and hips, improve balance and stability, and stay mobile for life. And when done correctly, they target the exact muscles doctors say are essential for walking strength after 50. Stick around. The best tip is coming in just a minute because many people do these exercises wrong, and that mistake can actually make leg pain worse. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to Green Health, where we share trusted senior fitness, mobility, and healthy aging tips every week. Let me know in the comments if you've ever felt your legs getting weaker over time, and tell us, where are you watching from today? Now, let's get into exercise number 1, the one that quietly rebuilds leg strength from the inside out. Exercise number 1, Glute Bridge, foundation of strong walking. If there is one exercise every senior over 50 should master, it's the glute bridge. Why? Because weak glutes are one of the biggest hidden causes of knee pain, lower back stiffness, shuffling when you walk, poor balance, and fear of falling. What the glute bridge does? The glute bridge activates glute muscles, your walking engine, hamstrings, core stabilizers. These muscles support every step you take. How to do the glute bridge? Step by step. Lie on your back on the floor or bed, bend your knees, feet flat on the ground, hip width apart, arms relaxed by your sides. Gently squeeze your glutes, slowly lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower slowly and relax. Reps: start with 8 to 10 reps, rest, then repeat for 2 sets. Has this ever happened to you? You try exercises but feel them only in your lower back. That's a sign the glutes are asleep, and this move wakes them up safely. Important tip: do not rush. Slow movement builds strength and protects joints. Exercise number 2, Bulgarian Squat, safe senior progression. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful leg strengthening exercises, but done the safe senior way. The Bulgarian Squat improves walking power, balance, hip and knee stability, and fall prevention. Senior safe setup. Instead of a bench, use a sturdy chair, a couch, or a low step. How to perform: beginner version, stand facing away from the chair, put one foot lightly behind you on the chair, front foot stays flat and stable, hold a wall or chair for balance, slowly bend the front knee, lower just a few inches, no need for deep squat, push through the heel to stand back up. Reps: 5 to 8 reps per leg, 1 to 2 sets only. Stick around, the best tip is coming in just a minute because many seniors go too low, and that's where knee pain starts. Progress slowly. As strength improves, increase depth slightly, increase reps gradually, never push through pain. Let me know in the comments which leg feels weaker, left or right. How to build leg strength without damaging your knees. This part may be the most important section of the entire video, especially if you've ever stopped exercising because of knee pain. Many seniors don't avoid exercise because they're lazy. They avoid it because one wrong move caused pain, and now they're afraid to try again. Let's make sure that never happens to you. Bonus tip number 1. Always wake up the joints first. Cold joints are fragile joints. Before any leg exercise, march slowly in place for 60 to 90 seconds. Do gentle ankle circles. Slowly bend and straighten the knees while seated. This increases blood flow and lubricates the joints. Has this ever happened to you? You start exercising cold and feel pain immediately. That's your body asking for a warm-up, not telling you to stop forever. Bonus tip number 2. Depth does not equal results. One of the biggest myths in fitness is the deeper you go, the better the exercise. For seniors, this is dangerous advice. Shallow, controlled movements build strength. Deep, rushed movements strain the knees. When doing squats or bridges, stop before pain. Stay in your comfort range. Progress slowly over weeks, not days. Stick around. The best tip is coming in just a minute because this next one prevents 80% of knee injuries. Bonus tip number 3. Your heels are your secret weapon. If your weight shifts to your toes, knees take the stress, balance decreases, pain risk increases. Always press through your heels, midfoot. A simple test. If you can lift your toes slightly while exercising, you're doing it right. Let me know in the comments if you've ever felt knee pain during squats. This one change helps immediately. Bonus tip number 4. Rest is not weakness, it's repair. Muscles grow after exercise, not during it. For seniors, train legs 3 to 4 times per week. Rest at least 48 hours between sessions. Mild soreness is normal. Sharp pain means stop. Has this ever happened to you? You pushed through pain thinking it was normal and felt worse the next day? Your body heals when you respect recovery. Bonus tip number 5. Breathing protects your joints. Most people hold their breath during effort, and that increases tension. Instead, breathe out as you lift or stand. Breathe in as you lower. This relaxes the nervous system and reduces joint strain. Bonus tip number 6. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need heavy weights, long workouts, daily training. You need small effort, regular movement, and patience. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can change how you walk, stand, and move within weeks. Powerful takeaway. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. Strong legs protect your knees, not the other way around. Smart exercise keeps you walking. Fear stops you. Let me know in the comments which bonus tip surprised you the most. Like this video if you want pain-free movement after 50. Subscribe to Green Health for senior-safe fitness and healthy aging tips. And most importantly, your best walking years are not behind you. They're built one step at a time. Here's the truth many seniors don't hear. You don't lose the ability to walk because of age. You lose it because key leg muscles stop being used. By doing just these 2 simple exercises, Glute Bridge and Bulgarian Squat, a senior-safe version, you can walk stronger, feel steadier, protect your knees, and stay independent for life. Has this ever happened to you? You thought weakness was just aging. Now you know better. Share this video with someone who wants to keep walking strong. Like the video if you found this helpful. Subscribe to Green Health for trusted senior fitness and healthy aging tips. And remember, your legs don't need punishment, they need smart movement. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, Green Health Cares.